And now to the lifts from 25 to 38. The lifts are a set of two lifts, but the car bottom calls the two lifts, but they are in front of each other. And this is a straight thing that I want to tell you. If you all know about this building, then just that's fine. I wonder what they are, the main doors of the doors of a main lift. Oh, I just went in from these lifts and this floor. Let's get back to the service lift. This is the gate. Let's have a test. They're faking these doors. Shh. Shh. Transnational office Plaza is now closed. You need to find another way to enter. Heh heh heh. Shh. Shh. And now, turning left, there was the car park that I didn't know about. And now to the lifts in the car park. Wait a second, and I'm going to find the service lift in the car park. I don't know where is the car park service lift. I hope there's one. Well, there are no service car park lifts. Just have to use the main lifts if they can park here. And now to the first lifts in the car park. This is the ramp of a car park. What the hell is this crap? And now to the other set of car park lifts. The lift on the right is a 9, but the lift on the left is in ground. Same as the other set. The lift in the middle is in 4. It is the thing that I didn't know about. It is getting so cold in here. Well, is it colder? Because at night it's so cold. It's still not, but look what I found new. And now, turning right, we have a service door. But what is it behind the service area? Shh, shh. We will not go through that automatic door because it's locked. As you may see, I cannot go through. And now in the hotel. And into the next lifts, which are the main lifts in the hotel. But they have blue interior inside. Yes! Let's ride them before this stops. Anyways, let's ride them. And they have awesome things. They have text behind the things. Hotel guest rooms. 59, right. That is right. This is a son of a hotel guest rooms. And it has red walls. Well, this is not kind of weird. But this is awesome and very realistic. I forgot that I have to go to 39. And now to the lifts from floor 62 up over the way to the top floor. The top floor is the Transnational restaurant, but there's nothing. Before I get back to the 39th floor and have an explore around floor 40, I have to drink something. Oh, and there's the bar worker. This isn't but this. It is Zoe's dad. Not see Zoe's dad. I'll see time. Got it. It will be Boris. Hello, welcome to the Transnational.